Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the car in ACC or running. Safety first, parking brake engaged. Sit at the center console and press the menu or setup button. This opens the infotainment controls that also host climate options. Once in setup, navigate to the display or unit submenu and look for temperature units. You may see Fahrenheit listed as F. Select that field to prepare for changing to Celsius. Make sure screen responsiveness is normal before moving on to avoid entering the wrong menu. Now that you're in temperature units, tap or select Celsius. The system often lists F and C. Pick C and then confirm by pressing OK or Save. This writes the new unit to the system. Once done, check the climate readout and the main display. Both should show degrees C. If the touchscreen is slow, use the rotary knob or steering wheel controls to highlight and confirm. These alternatives work in many Elantra trims. Allow a second for the cluster and HVAC panel to update across displays. Finish by confirming every temperature readout shows degrees Celsius, driver cluster, center display, and HVAC panel. Once done, set a test temperature to ensure the system interprets inputs correctly. If the unit did not change, power cycle the car by turning it off, waiting 30 seconds and restarting. This often forces a settings refresh. If the problem persists, it could be a software or region lock issue. Make sure to check the owner manual for model-specific steps, or visit a dealer for a quick software update or diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.